Yo, what's up world? I hope so you're keeping well. Today will be the vlog from Sanur. I will cycling a little bit around and I will show you how it looks live around Sanur. This area where I'm walking now is beautiful sunny day and yeah, enjoy guys. Alright, so this is the bamboo bar and restaurants what is belongs to the Prama. However, quiet guys. Almost empty, almost deserted here, and hotel also doesn't look much optimistic. I mean, everything here is almost quiet, but it's beautiful weather. It's really beautiful day, and it's actually very nice for having a afternoon wee drive by bicycle. That's good for your health. I mean, for mine. Yeah, and this is the main wing of the hotel. And it's closed. The swimming pool seems closed, empty, quiet, and that was the Prama. Here is some lady only. Yeah, that's how it looked like. Heading now into direction of Puri Shantran Hotel. It's beautiful alley here. It's really amazing weather actually today. Really nice. I know I said already. I know. But nowadays, it's not many things what you can really be happy from something, so at least I can enjoy my afternoon ride on beautiful, lovely Sanur promenade. Oh, here is the manga lady, if you are missing her, even some people. Yeah, beautiful weather, beautiful times. That's how it looks in the hotel. Also, not that busy, I could say. Nobody on the pool pass. Empty. Well, it's not even much to talk about. I can only showing you. So this is like a little bit point of view ride with me, but it's easier because you can have your drink and don't need to do any exercises. However, you enjoy with me, and that's how it looks like Puri Shantran area. Well, here is the little alley between the hotels. Very local warungs here, like a jackfish and many others. Munich. So many of you also familiar with the area over here. Oh, that's so shaky actually. The road is not really good here. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Most of the businesses here are closed. Well, this is obviously kind of local place, but still with the kind of tourist prices. It's not really cheap, so maybe that's why not many tourists, not many expats eating here also for some reason. So yeah, that's how it looked like, but empty. All right, over here, like I said last time, it's gonna be some construction, some new warung. Yeah, that's how it looked like. I can only say the weather today is so amazing. It's hot, but not as that, like as you cannot breathe. It's very nice. Here, yo, what's up? Here's supposed to be the warung, famous warung, and here are some local here. Fishing. Nice. I think they have a fish there. Very nice vibes. Life is slowly back to normal in Sanur, let's say. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Here is some water sports, jet ski company. They have a really nice jet skis actually, never tried, maybe once. Here is some new warungs. Very nice. And here at the front is the Fairmont Hotel, very nice hotel. However, unfortunately, currently closed, and heading into the warung's direction, which is at the front. Yo, what's up, doggo? And here's the warung. I think this is the name of the warung. It's Nyoman Warung. And heading now into direction on other very famous places like La Playa, which is actually further. This is Lila Pantai, also quiet today. This is the middle of the week day. This is the kite surfers. All of them, they know us. Yeah. Yo, what's up? Oh. Running, small kids driving. That's how it looks like. This is my favorite cafe shop in Sanur nowadays. Not paid endorsement, however, very nice. Yo, what's up, my friend? Very nice, as you see here. Bamboo. Some people around actually. Here is the Coco Bistro. This Warung, unfortunately, for some reason cannot handle it. But La Playa, famous expat, Sanur expat place, is open as always. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Some people even around. I think there will be some kite surfers here now. Oh, hey, yo, what's up, guys? Yo! Take care, guys, yeah? See you next time, yeah? Kiting, maybe next time, yeah? Yo, what's up? As you see, beautiful people enjoying. And the Mount Agung at the front. And there are some ladies here. Not that busy, but some life, yeah, still. All right, and heading now into direction of new hotel, brand new hotel in Sanur. It's called Andas, which is over there. We were there once when they opened. Yeah, it's nice. What I can say, I like the view of the beautiful Mount Agung at the front. Yeah. Yo, what's up? Another vlogger, I think, local Indonesian. That's good. I see something happening. Is some local tourists actually around. That's really makes me happy. Is something it's happening around, and also in general, maybe I don't sound today as I'm happy, but I feel happy when I can have a beautiful ride in the sun, or at least I can forget for a few minutes about the problems and worries, right? That's how it looks like. And here is some local warung. Always people here having few beers, so that's also pretty cool. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Yo, what's up, brother? People are happy. I see more happy when I'm driving a bicycle. They are more friendly when I walk. I don't know, maybe they are more noticeable or something. This is Maya Sanur. Over there is the hotel. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
See, everybody are happy. Everybody happy? Oh, here is some renovation of Maya Sanur. And here is some local warungan. That's nice. Very nice. Beautiful weather. Some happy as some kids enjoying the beach and everything. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Really cool, guys. Heading into direction of Hyatt, not Hyatt, what's the name of the shop? I forgot. Hardy's. I don't know, I have a bad memories nowadays. Here is the coffee kiosk at the front. Open. We make a vlog a few days ago actually in that direction, but that was different topic and was at night. I know many of you like this area, so here we go. This is the shop situation. Looks like this. This restaurant closed, but the traffic on the street is actually not that bad. Here is the nice hotel also for everyone, a familiar or not situation. Looks like this today.